FOMO.
Fear of missing out, the feeling of missing out on something exciting. Example: I had serious FOMO when I couldn't go to the concert.
FAM.
Close friends or family. Example: heading out with the fam this weekend. Bae. A term of endearment for a boyfriend or girlfriend. Example: she's my bae, we've been dating for a year. Savage. Fearless or tough. Example: he made a savage comeback during the argument. Swag. Cool confidence or style. Example: she's got swag with those sunglasses. Lame. Boring or not cool. Example: that movie was lame, I fell asleep.
Gucci.
Good or okay. Example: everything is Gucci, don't worry. Peeps. People, friends, or acquaintances. Example: I'm meeting up with my peeps later. Flex. To show off. Example: he likes to flex his muscles at the gym.
Ghost.
To disappear suddenly. Example: he ghosted her after the first date. Thirsty. Desperate for attention. Example: she's so thirsty for likes on social media.
Bling.
Flashy jewelry, especially diamonds. Example: she's wearing so much bling tonight.
Jelly.
Too jealous. Example: he's totally jelly of your new car. Salty. Upset or bitter about something. Example: he's still salty about losing the game. Tea. Gossip or juicy information. Example: spill the tea about what happened last night.
zonked,
extremely tired or exhausted. Example, after the hike, I was completely zonked. Ship. To support a romantic relationship between two people or characters. Example, I totally ship them, they would make a cute couple. Woke. Aware of social issues. Example, she's really woke about environmental problems.
lit,
Really cool or exciting. Example, the concert last night was lit. Chill. Relax or take it easy. Example, let's just chill at home tonight.
gig,
A job, especially a temporary one in the entertainment industry. Example, she got a gig as a backup dancer.
vibes,
The atmosphere or feeling of a place or situation. Example, the vibes at the party were amazing. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more knowledgeable videos.